In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Call.com, one of the most powerful and customizable scheduling tools available today. Whether you're managing client meetings, running a business, or just want a smoother way to organize your time, Call.com makes scheduling simple, flexible, and fully in your control. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Cal.com. Now, before you hit the get started, if you haven't signed up for the Call.com yet, make sure to use the link down below in the video description. This is our affiliate link, and it gives you access to the latest offers and discounts. Right now, Chilisto has even hooked you up with a 20% discount, and it'll be automatically applied when you purchase to any paid plan. And just follow the on-screen instructions. You will receive a notification to check your email, and you want to make sure to check your spam folder and click the verify email link, because this will forward you to a new page. From here, all I have to do is very simple. Provide all the information needed. You can choose your time zone, and as you may notice at the top corner, it has like steps 1 to 5. Just click your continue button. You can also at this point connect your calendar. All right. Now you need to provide your full name. Then click the connect your calendar. This will forward you to a new page. Now, as you may notice, you can choose from the following: Google Calendar, Outlook, Apple Calendar. It's a lot. Okay, it's up to you if you want to connect that, because also you have the option to connect your calendar later. Okay, so we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna skip that. And then you also have the option to connect your video apps if you wanted. For example, if you want to connect Google Meet, Zoom video, Discord, FaceTime, and a lot more. Now, if you don't want that and you wanted to explore for now, click the setup later. And you need to make sure that you set your availability. If you are unsure, you want to make sure just to complete your profile for now. This will forward you to the option to add a profile photo. This is a golden opportunity if you have like a brand or logo or identity that reflects your voice. At this point, I'm going to add our profile photo, but you can do that later as well. Now you can put in a few sentences about yourself right here. Click the finish setup and get started. Now you will be forwarded to the main dashboard itself. Okay, so as you may notice, it's very clean, it's user-friendly, yet it's functional. In the left side area, you have all the tools and features that you can explore. Number 1 is going to be the event types. Now, the event types are different kinds of meetings or appointments people can book with you. For example, you can have like a 30-minute meeting, secret meeting, or maybe a 1-hour coaching session, or maybe a 30-minute demo. So each event type has its own settings. For example, if you click on the secret meeting, okay, you can tweak these settings for your liking. You can have a duration, a location, maybe change the description right here if you want, title, all right, and the duration. It's up to you. And click the save button. Now, the next thing is gonna be the bookings. The bookings is gonna be your main dashboard where you see all your scheduled meetings. If you have any upcoming, confirm, reschedule, or cancel meetings. You can also view booking details or manage attendee information. It's basically your calendar activity hub. Okay? And then below that is the availability, wherein this is where you have most control when people can book with you, because you can configure your weekly schedule. You see that there is the new button here. If we click that, you can add a new schedule if you want. Okay, for example, this, and click the continue button. Now, since you have that already, you can now custom your hours for specific event times. So you can choose from Monday. Let's say I am working on Mondays. I work very early, around 8 a.m., but I stop working around maybe 3:30. And on Fridays, I work, let's say, 9 until let's say until 9, like 9 to 9 if you wanted. And if you wanted to take some workloads on Saturday, you can also do with that because the event types determine what people can book. Availability determines when they can book you. All right. And then the team section here is something that you can involve multiple people. With teams, you can set up round robin scheduling if you want to create your team so you can have multiple team members to attend to. All right. So in this case, we're going to use that and click the checkout. This is very handy for sales teams, support teams, or agencies, or any collaborative environment. But the thing is, it requires a credit card information. If you don't want that for now, you can simply go back to the main homepage and cancel. But this is a handy add-on if you are part of a sales team, support teams, or agencies. Okay, so we're going to go back again here, and we're going to explore the apps. The apps is where you can connect Call.com to your tools. All right, so you have the Google Calendar, Google Meet, and Zoom Video. Earlier, we haven't had the chance to connect any of these platforms. Now, if you decided to connect your Google Calendar, which is I'm going to do right now, click the details, and there should be an option for you to install the app. Click that button right here. And just follow the on-screen instructions to allow permission. Okay, so once you've done that, you should be able to connect your Google Calendar to your Call.com account. As you can see, we have that already covered, right? Now, you can basically explore all these. So think of it as your plugin or add-on directory, right? And then the routing is something that you can do to create a smart booking funnel or decision flow. Because here, you can create your first form, ask questions, create your first route. You can automatically route users to the correct event type or team, or maybe if you want to qualify leads before they pick a time. Say, for example, if a customer selects sales inquiries, the route goes to your sales team event. All right, but the thing is, it requires a Teams plan subscription. If you decided to upgrade, click the upgrade button, and of course, it's provide all the information needed. You can be forwarded to the checkout process as we have done earlier. All right, but for now, we're gonna go back to the main homepage and go to the workflows. Now, the workflows automate tasks before and after meetings. Okay, with this, you can create a workflow. For example, if you want to auto send SMS reminders, maybe if you want to send follow-up emails or trigger webhooks, you can also add customer to CRM, for example, this Cal AI agent configuration. Okay, so you can do a lot of things here, which is kind of handy if you wanted to, let's say, add a variable initial message right here, okay, and click the save button. Now, this is going to be your automation engine, no coding needed. Once you're happy with that, you can test the agent and click the save button. For example, if you want to create a web call, you can do so. All right. You can explore that on your own time at your own pace. Now, I'm going to go back again here and show you around, which is the insights. The insights is your analytics dashboard. You can see on the insights the number of bookings, for example, no shows or cancellations, team member activity. Sometimes it also gives you the conversion data from your routing forms. Okay, so there's a lot. This insight helps you understand booking trends and optimize your workflow. Having said all of that, so after exploring Call.com, here's our final verdict. Okay, so if you're looking for a scheduling tool that's modern, flexible, and completely customizable, Call.com is definitely worth checking out. What really sets it apart is the open source nature, meaning you're not locked into an enclosed system. You can tailor it to your personal use or your business, or even integrate it directly inside your own apps and websites. And basically, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, feel free to drop a comment below. And of course, do not forget you can use our affiliate link to get a 20% discount. The discount will be applied automatically when you purchase any paid plan. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.